this is my thinking when it comes to going into ACH sessions, is like how does my client express their unconscious moments. She's said, I don't want to be a supporting actor. Floating down the stream. What are those? The metaphors. So
Metaphors,
yeah. So Elle is very metaphorical in her, and it was very similar to the last session, right? Like about the blank space. So how she expresses her unconscious movements are through metaphors. And so I would, once you start hearing that consistently, like being a passive just observer, the whole thing about the being a supporting actor, that got her somewhere. Like just notice those and just jump on those. What do you
yeah.
mean you're a supporting actor or actress?
Yeah,
Artist?
so
Just
a
keep
little
asking.
more, like just keep going on that, because I asked her what that felt like, and that's when she said it was
Yeah,
floating down a stream. But I guess
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
not sure what to do with that. So
Yeah, so just so how, like the easiest, like when you're learning this, the easiest is just to ask, what do you mean floating down the stream? Like
okay.
it just, and just kind of keep her there. And then that starts to kind of like domino into whatever she means by that floating down the stream metaphor.